The path went astray when I was 18. I thought this was the way to be seen. My parents had told me this world ain't what it seems. People will lead you to do insane things. My father had told me that I can make it right. Find who you are and you'll find a love. Look in your heart and ask yourself this: who are you now? And know your limit. Is it too late for me to come home? Is it too late and is the door closed? Is it too late for me to try? Is it too late and is this goodbye? Back then I was naive and I didn't think twice. Did things that were foolish, made